Enjoy the view of this 2021 Kia Sorento. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. This versatile Sorento has what your family needs to get the most out of every journey. Available in all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, this mid-size 3-row crossover has earned its reputation for prioritizing safety, passenger comfort, cargo capacity, and connectivity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, power liftgate, fog lamps, dual zone AC, power driver seat, aluminum wheels. Feel energized every time you take the wheel of this handsome Sorento. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.